Mastering culinary terms. Brush with egg wash. Hello, and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're diving into the delicious world of cooking terms, focusing on a phrase you might encounter in recipes: brush with egg wash. Understanding these terms not only enriches your vocabulary but also enhances your cooking skills. So, let's get cracking and explore what this phrase means and how you can use it in your culinary adventures. Brush with egg wash refers to the process of applying a thin layer of egg wash onto the surface of food, usually pastry or bread, before baking. An egg wash is a mixture made by beating eggs with a liquid, typically water or milk. This mixture is then brushed onto the food using a pastry brush. The purpose of this technique is to give the baked goods a golden, glossy finish, making them more appealing in appearance and adding a slight richness to the taste. Creating an egg wash is simple. You'll need 1 egg, whole egg, egg white, or egg yolk, depending on the desired outcome. 1 tablespoon of water or milk. Beat the egg with the liquid until the mixture is smooth. For a shinier finish, use just the yolk and milk. If you prefer a lighter gloss, an egg white with water will do the trick. Whole eggs with water offer a balance between shine and color. Applying egg wash correctly is key to achieving the best results. 1. Prepare your egg wash as described in the previous section. 2. Use a pastry brush to gently apply a thin, even layer of the egg wash over the food's surface. Be careful not to use too much, as it can make the pastry soggy. 3. Bake according to the recipe's instructions. This process helps in browning the crust, sealing edges, and even adhering seeds or other toppings to the pastry. For a darker color, add a pinch of salt to the egg wash. If you're out of a brush, a soft paper towel or your fingers can be a makeshift tool. Clean up any excess egg wash on the baking sheet to avoid burning. There you have it. Brush with egg wash is a simple yet effective technique to elevate your baked goods, both in looks and taste. We hope this video has shed light on how easy and impactful this culinary practice can be. Happy baking, and we look forward to bringing you more insights into the English language and its practical applications. Until next time, keep learning and experimenting.